Today I will show you how to crack the slabs of your graded cards. Let's go! I'm just kidding, we don't need all of that. All we need is a pair of pliers and a flat screwdriver. So, I have here two graded Pokemon cards with me. And all we're gonna do is take the pair of pliers. And we just wanna pinch off the corners here. There we go. So the corners are now off. All we're gonna do now is take a screwdriver, get it underneath the casing of PSA. And as you can see, as I'm moving my screwdriver with the flat head, of course, along the edges already will start to crack and pop up. We just want to push and push down. Here we go. So the card is now basically open, or the slab I should say. And we can take Typhlosion out of his little cage. Free the predator from its cage, I should say, with the recent leaks that Pokemon has endured. Yeah, it's not the kind of Pokemon that we all thought he was. But here we go. We now have taken the Typhlosion out of its slab. And look at that. I'll show you again with this Rocket's Sneak Attack from the Team Rocket set for Pokemon as well. There we go. Let's just cut off both corners. Now once again, we are just gonna move it along the sides of the slab. There we go. Did you hear that crack? That is exactly what we want. I'm going all the way down on this one almost. You do not want to rush this, because chances are, of course, that with the screwdriver, if you go too fast, you might hit your card and scratch it up and completely destroy it. But here we go. The slab is almost taken in half now. And we can just grab the card with our fingers and pull it out without any issue. And the slab is actually stuck on my fingers here. And there we go. We have the card taken out. Look at that, huh? Still looking very clean, looking fresh, near mint condition. And voila, we just put it in a sleeve. And that is it. I hope that this video was useful to you. If it was, let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you all in a next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye!